when asked what are the possibilities for Dutch companies to work in France on biogas, on bioenergy, there are perhaps two things that we should draw attention to. One, that is that the challenges that we have to face in France are very similar to the ones that we have to face in the Netherlands. And so Dutch companies, like French companies, are doing a lot of research, are working on transforming our way of looking at bioenergy. The second thing is a difference. France is much bigger. France has a much higher production of biomass than the Netherlands. And that actually, the difference and the similarity is a good basis for French and Dutch industries to work together and seek the possibilities for cooperation.
Yes, okay, thank you. I will continue because the question that was asked to me is about what is the vision for the bioeconomy and bioenergy in the Netherlands. So recently we got a new government and we have a very ambitious goals for the environment, 60% greenhouse gas reduction and also for 50% a circular economy. So we have to work very hard on that and we're looking for all kinds of solutions. And bioresources are one of the solutions. So that's why the bioeconomy is important in the Netherlands. It has already been important for many years because the Netherlands has a very strong agriculture and also a very efficient agriculture. We are producing a lot of agricultural products and we want to expand that, so going from agricultural products also to bio-based chemicals and bio-based materials. And that's also in the policy of our government, in our bioeconomy policy, is that we want to valorize the bioresources. So we want to make first chemicals, materials, then fuels, and then thirdly also energy, but then mainly in the form of biomethane. So now I will hand over to the ambassador again.
Well, thank you very much. The other question that I was asked is there are quite a few names of known here at the Salon. How do we look at that? What I would like to stress is the following. It was in 2020 when there were only 6 Dutch companies here present at the Salon. This year there are some 20 companies present, some small, some big, but definitely companies that see the possibilities of finding partners here to work together in France. There are research institutions represented. We think that there's a good market here, there's a good environment for cooperation, and so we think that actually this growth from 6 to some 20 is indicative of the possibilities that we see, and we hope that this Salon is proving successful in that respect.
Yes, thank you. So the question that I was asked is what is the secret in the Netherlands that we can realize so much innovation? I think there are several reasons for this. It is first of all, it is our culture, because we are very pragmatic people, looking result oriented, so that's why things have to happen in our country. This is because in the past we had to build dikes, otherwise we could not survive, so that was a kind of founding thing that made it happen. Secondly, what is very important for our success in innovation in the bioeconomy is that we work in a triangle with the government, research and industry. So this threefold, let's say, approach that makes it happen. And thirdly, it's also the multi-sectoral approach. So talking about, let's say, the bioeconomy and innovation in this area, it's not just about, let's say, agriculture, but it's about integrating agriculture into chemistry, into logistics, and into the energy sector, and combine these different sectors into one approach to bring new innovation. So that's why so many new ideas have come up, and we are very glad that we can present it here at this salon here in this place here in Nantes. Thank you.